Hello, we are back with an exciting video where we pick the best 6 protein powders out there to make your decision easier. If you want to know more about these products, check out our description for the latest prices and information. A super refined protein product. This is the best protein powder for anyone serious about building lean muscles. With the protein all coming from whey protein isolates, it's great for anyone who struggles with whey concentrate, which is low in carbohydrates and calories. The inclusion of the hydrolyzed whey protein isolate, which means you absorb the proteins even more quickly. The flavor is good without the temple-aching sweetness you get in most protein powders. It mixes easily too, although it's worth noting that while some protein powders mimic the action of thickening agents when stirred into porridge, Dymatize actually had the opposite effect, making the porridge slightly runnier. A draw is that there are a large varieties of flavors to choose from. Some protein powders contain processed ingredients that you might need to recognize. However, suppose you're keen on finding a protein powder filled with natural ingredients. In that case, the Orgain Organic Protein Powder might be the one for you. Founded by a cancer survivor and integrative specialist who wanted to create a product with a natural, food-based ingredient, Orgain makes the products with ingredients that, while perhaps not that exactly familiar, are at least recognizable foodstuffs. And the powder is certified organic and non-GMO. Be aware that the calorie count is 150 per servings, which is a little higher than most non-mass gainer powder, and the carbohydrate count is 15 grams, so it's not low in carbs. It contains sea salts, so if you're trying to keep the sodium levels down, this may not be for you. Now Foods Whey Proteins provides you with 25 grams of protein, less than 1 gram of carbohydrate, 0.5 grams of fat, and just 110 calories per serving, giving it fewer carbs and more protein than the protein powder from Quest Nutrition. Acting as a middle ground between pure protein supplements and full-stack muscle builders like 6-Star Whey, you also get a healthy dose of BCAAs and non-essential amino acids without the glutamine or creatine. You should choose whey isolate if you need a protein powder with high-quality protein and virtually zero carbs and fat. Fortunately, Now Foods has one of the most affordable whey protein isolate powders, with 25 grams of protein per serving. For comparison, this is the same amount of protein you get with a scoop of Muscle Farm Combat Protein, Isopure Whey Protein Isolate, Cellcore Core Performance, and 1 gram more than Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Garden of Life went an extra mile to set the sports certified grass-fed whey apart from its mainstream offering and other brands. Several ways they stand out include using truly grass-fed certified wheys, adding glutamine and glutamic acids, adding probiotics, and having both NSF certified for sports and InformedChoice.org trusted by sports certifications. Most supplements and protein powder are not regulated or even tested, so there is no way to properly know exactly what you may be getting when you are buying them, unless there is some certification to back them. Body Fortress Super Advanced Whey is a popular, inexpensive protein powder that has been on the market for many years now. That being said, we took a deeper look into what it had to offer to help you decide if it's the right whey protein. At a glance, product checks all the main boxes required for a reliable protein supplement. It contains a decent amount of proteins, calories, and a small amount of creatine in each serving. Body Fortress offers a workable protein supplement, especially suited for those looking to get the most for their amounts. The macronutrients content is sufficient and also flexible, and a short list of ingredients is a plus for people who are wary of excessive additives. Potential drawbacks include a high sodium content, a small but mentionable amount of soy, and potentially inaccurate amounts of protein. No protein powder is meant to replace a whole food center. There are no scoops in these bags, so you're asked to measure out from your own servings of 30 grams. In that, you'll find that 115 calories, 27 grams of protein, and less than 1 gram each of carbohydrates and fats. As the micronutrient, there's 5% of your daily potassium, 6% of your magnesium, 3% of your sodium, and 12% of your calcium in each serving. There's not an awful lot to talk about when it comes to a product as simple as this. It's worth emphasizing that this is a highly low-carb, low-fat product, even for a whey protein isolate. Isolates are more processed than the whey concentrate, which is cheaper but contains a lot more fats and carbs. It's unflavored whey, and it's practically fat and carb-free, so it doesn't bring a lot of flavor to. Do you want to bulk up with the right amount of nutrients from protein powder that the body needs, without any issues? Then we have the best picks of 2023 protein powder. Visit our channel for more detailed explanations of the products and more.